your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, we'll say, hey! Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, we'll say, hey! I love you.
Good morning guys! Today is Wednesday, November 20 and yung mga bata kasama namin kasi may sakit sila guys, hindi sila pumasok sa school kasi mayroon silang ayan, sipon, ubo, lagnat kagabi, tapos ngayon sobrang init ngayon. How many degrees today, Han? 38 degrees. So sabi namin wag na lang silang pumasok din kasi nga hindi rin naman sila feeling well and then sobrang init talaga ngayon. And today punta kami sa sa what do you call that store, honey? Where are we going?
Blue City.
Huh?
Motorcycles.
Motorcycles.
Sell motorbikes in there. So.
Motorcycle kasi pipikapin namin.
Motorbikes for kids and that in there.
Pipikapin namin yung yung binili ni Jan na lawn mower. So mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang lawn mower.
Two wheels more fun.
4 wheels better.
No.
2 wheels I'm not
Usapan nila yung mga motor. So
Sweeties.
pupunta natin, may mga tinda rin na
Sweeties.
mga 4-wheelers na
Because 4
bike.
wheels is a bit more heavier.
Say good morning guys!
Morning.
Kuya!
Morning.
Hello! Kuya!
What is it? Bikes in there?
Kuya!
Morning. Bikes.
Holly!
Motorbike.
Bike.
Baba! Say morning people!
Wait,
Just motorbikes.
Baba! Kahit may sakit siya, at least ngumingiti siya.
Now, can you get blue lawnmower? No. Get it. Get it. Is it red?
I went the Richmond colours this time.
Huh?
Flashy one.
Went the Richmond colours.
Well, no. Was it red?
Nah, red's Cox, the one I didn't go there.
Wait. Oh, wait. No. The red one
We
was
already have red,
Bummer's.
Kuya.
The red one was the Bummer's one. Nah, Melbourne.
Pati kulay ng lawn mower, pinag-aanoan nila, tawag na,
That is Sydney.
pinag-arguhan nila kasi
Dad,
gusto ni
Dad,
Shaq blue
Dad,
kasi
is
West
Sydney?
Eagle. Si Kuya naman red kasi Bombers. Pero ang kinuha ni Jan, mamaya makikita nyo, napaka-bright. Is that your new color now, Han?
What?
The bright color? No.
Oh, wait. Mine's
Ha?
I'm not sure.
Wala raw siyang choice, yun daw yung available.
Dad,
Baba!
mine's S.
Can you fix your arms, Papa, please? Good girl. Kasama niya si Peppa. Umiyak siya kanina kasi naiwan niya si Peppa. Hi, Peppa. Say hi, Peppa.
Dad, I hear that.
Wala
I
siya sa
hear that thing wiggling.
Wala siya kasi masasakit din yung kanilang mga throat. Kasi nga may sipon. How's your throat, Kuya? Kuya,
Good.
is it alright now?
Teeth.
Your throat.
Yes, good.
Is it very good now?
Yes,
How about you?
good.
Good?
Yeah, just keep taking them.
Oh, just, yeah, kasi nagtitake sila ng medicine. So,
They
nakakatuwa
have
yun.
this morning.
Yeah, I gave
When's the
them.
next one?
2 o'clock. Kasi every 6 hours ko sila binibigyan. Simula
Then
kahapon.
they can have
Dad,
before bed.
the top teeth.
Before bed, yes.
And then another one before school.
The top
Yeah.
teeth is good enough. But what about in school at 2 o'clock?
No, you're alright. You have to wait. Yeah, you have to wait when you get home.
Dad, can I do golfing in Blue Lake?
Nah, yeah, Kuya.
Dad,
If you feel better.
Dad. Huh?
Not yet. When you feel
But they
better.
might not play tomorrow. Huh?
Yeah.
Nag-ano na pala kasi sila, naka-enroll na rin sila dito sa Blue Lake. Kung sa, yung malapit na golf course sa amin, naka-enroll na rin sila for golf lessons. So, every Thursday, then Friday, Thursday dito sa Mount, then Friday sa Bay, yung golf lesson nila. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi na kayo makakapunta sa Adelaide kasi nga, work na si Jan. Pero, may competition. Di ba, naalala niyo yung nag-compete sila? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, babalik kami the next weekend? Hindi pala kasi maraming sumali this year daw. So, hinati-hati talaga sila. So, Ano na ba yan? 2 weeks na yata o hindi pa nakakuha ng email sila. Do you think we're gonna go to Adelaide this weekend? Not sure yet pa. O, so hinihintay lang namin kung kailan ulit yung competition ng mga bata. Pero it's been 2 weeks na hindi sila nakapunta ng Adelaide since noong first competition nila. So, hintayin lang namin this week. Eto pala, etong parating na week na to, 2 weeks na hindi sila nakapunta ng Adelaide. So, tingnan namin kung etong week sila magko-compete or the next weekend. So, tingnan na lang natin. Malalaman nyo din naman yan. Wow, Sak, naka-D4. Naka-D4 si Sak ko. Sexy legs, Sak.
Flat road, and the bus driver took the OB flat, and the way that we're meant to take the next over and took the wrong turn.
Did you know that?
Yes, we were meant to go past
Favorite
the 100
song ni Holly noon, yung kay Khalid, yung Young, Dumb, and Broke.
She's meant to be playing golf tonight.
Ha?
She's meant to be playing golf.
Oh, dapat pala mag-golf si Jan kaso nga may appointment siya.
Oh,
Competition, ha?
yeah, that one I'm winning. You've got to keep
Oh, so why
playing.
you didn't go?
It's meant to be 38 degrees.
Oh, kasi sobrang init pala. Kaya pala ayaw niya
Why
na
didn't you
maglaro.
go though, Dad?
It's gonna be too hot, kuya.
Oh, wait, he can't hit the golf
Pardon?
ball on hot day. Dad,
Turn
you
it
can't
off?
hit
Oh, sige, palakasan na lang daw, guys. Sige, mamaya na lang. Yes. Dito na tayo, guys, sa Blue City Motorcycle. Ayun.
Another time, Dad?
Na.
Another time? What, is Joy here?
No, Joe is working.
Where are you going, Dad? Another time?
Please report to the office prior drop off and collection.
Another time?
Oh, i-collect lang namin kasi na ano na ni Jan, na order na ni Jan kahapon.
I tell you right, it is 4 wheels. Where's the other motor?
Bukas na yung shop kaso yung kung saan pipick upin ni Jan,
Dad, it's
sarado pa yung
Look
ano,
at the new motorbikes, look.
yung basta yung dun, oh, sarado.
Dad.
Wait, Baba, it's very hot outside.
Dad.
What?
Uh,
Their new motorbikes in the box.
Ayan na pala, guys, so na ano na, wala na sa box, naka ano na. Kaya may dala kaming trailer kasi dyan ilalagay, oh. So, ayan yung aming bagong lawn mower.
Or just straight on. Yeah, I think, yeah, true. Either way, I'll come back on there.
Back on, I'll watch you.
Yep.
Because I reckon if I can just bag off, that'd be
Straight
I'm
on.
gonna go
Yeah.
home.
Sigaw si Oli. I wanna look. Oh, come back. Careful. Baba, come here, Baba.
Oh, yeah, that was pretty good, mate. Right up that. Joe's sitting down. He just got one.
Probably what you have on there, you go back to the standard. Oh, yeah.
Nilalagyan nila ng tali para hindi siya mag-move. Careful, kuya. Punta ka na?
well, we can do that.
Yeah, go there. Okay, how you...
Front of sack.
Go in front of sack. No, kuya.
Put it back. Push it.
Ayan, kasya kayong tatlo.
That's the cutters. Don't touch it.
Oh, it's nice and cold here inside. Punta tayo sa, sa harapan kasi yung mga bata gustong tumingin ng motorbike. Okay, let's go, Papa. Move it, sabi ni Holly. Move it. Dito na tayo sa harapan para magtingin ng... Baba, where are you? You're right? Okay. Come on, come here. No running because look.
Dad, this one's yours.
Come on, Baba. Baba, here.
That one's
Ayaw yung magpahawak. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Thank you. Mag-window shopping lang si Sak. Nadaw ko, that's too big. No touching, ha? Just look. Tingnan mo yung mga motorbike nila. Baba! Ha? Holly, don't touch, ha? So, yan yung mga bike. Ha? Yeah. Yeah. Si Kuya naman, ang bet niya yun. Baba, here, Baba. Wow. May nakita siyang yellow. Come here, go there with Daddy. Come on. Ayun si Sak. How much is this one? How
They're
much?
too small. You're too big for that.
Huh? You're too big.
No, cool.
How much is this, honey?
Oh,
Like
I think they're
2?
2, I reckon.
2 grand?
Oh,
2,000?
1500.
Si Kuya, ayan. Pareho si Kuya tsaka si Holly ng bet, oh, yellow. Is it nice, Kuya? Huh?
We do. We have a farm.
Yeah.
And I had a driver. Push this thing.
Hoy, Baba, don't, Baba.
Holly, get off it.
Get off there, Baba. Don't touch.
You push this thing in the door.
Yeah. Stop.
Hey, when will I drive this on the road?
No.
You cannot ride that at home. Not unless you go to the farm.
We could use this random. I know. To get the cows.
Dapat last year, yan yung ibibigay ni Jen. Pinigilan ko lang. So, ewan ko. Come on, let's go.
Control the motorbike.
Yeah, you can try, but just be careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. No, you cannot try. Yeah, you can. Kuya, careful, huh? Oh. I don't like this one because I'm scared with that one.
They don't turn.
You don't turn that one.
Alright,
Okay, let's go.
So,
Let's go. Oh, come on. Excited na si Jan mag, i-try ba yung, lawn mower niya. Okay, let's go. Bagong deliver, blue. Yamaha. Tsaka ito, Uwi na tayo, guys, kasi sobrang init na. Come on. Peppa, hurry up, Peppa. Here, Baba.
I'm looking for the cigarette.
Okay, come on.
I don't want to seatbelt.
No, you have to have a seatbelt. Yes. Yes, Baba. Go. Ilagay ko tong earring ni Holly kasi natanggal kagabi. Akin na, Baba. Akin na. We're gonna put it, Baba. Akin na. Akin na.
Can you get me banana?
Okay. What do you want?
Mango.
Mango?
Mango.
Okay. Dito tayo sa guys, sa padlocks.
Mom, mango.
Oh, where's Holly?
I'm having half. 2 half.
2 half?
Yeah, half.
Okay. Dito tayo sa ice cream.
Bubblegum. We want rainbow.
Rainbow for Holly? Okay.
Mango.
Okay. How about you? So what you gonna have?
I'm gonna have bubblegum and mint.
Oh, you want 2?
Yeah, half. It's
Half. Yeah.
So one rainbow.
Tell her what you want. One rainbow for the. Yeah, that's for
Kitty
Holly.
size or the single or
Just kiddie size for that one.
that sort of size.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Yan yung kay Holly. Rainbow.
And then the kitty's double.
Double for you, Sa?
Mango and something else.
Yes, please. Mango and... What do you want?
bubblegum, and mint.
Mint. Bubblegum and mint. Ayan kay Sa. And Kuya is banana and mango. Ang dami pa ditong flavor. Ang sarap ng ice cream nila, as in. Ayan, oh, ang dami pa. Yum. Gonna say, you wait, Sa, and give it Holly.
Mango
And
and
banana, please. Ito kay Kuya, mango and banana. And sa akin, ano kaya sa akin? Okay, and then I'm gonna have this Irish cream. Ito sa akin, Irish cream. Maybe half also.
half.
Yes.
Half one? Yeah.
Yeah, half, and then mango, the other one.
What's the other one?
Mango, please. Okay, yeah, I hold Holly's. Yes, you can go to the car now. And mango sa akin. 18 yung apat na ice cream, guys. Kid size. Holly! may pasayaw-sayaw ka pa. What you gonna say? Mango and banana.